Have you ever enjoyed searching through a manual? Eliminate complex router manual navigation with an AI-assisted setup system, enabling internet configuration via image capture. This system leverages convolutional neural networks to identify specific router models from photographs. A conversational AI then guides users through the setup, removing the need for traditional manuals. The architecture integrates a PyTorch-based CNN server for image processing and a Rosa-powered model server with Azure OpenAI for conversational guidance. Model training involved a dataset of 877 diverse router images, including Internet Box 3, 5, and 5 Pro, and WLAN Box 3 and 5 Pro, ensuring robust recognition. A pre-trained ResNet 50 model achieved over 91% validation accuracy in image classification, foundational for precise, real-time user assistance. For example, a no internet query prompts system identification of the Internet Box 5 and relevant troubleshooting, such as LED status interpretation and resolution strategies. User feedback highlights high satisfaction regarding ease of use and speed. Future work includes vision language model integration, expanded device support, and production transition with enhanced data security.